Money can buy many things, but in Aiyetoro, it cannot buy peace. And telling the truth, that could cost you everything. Welcome back to Yoruba Cinema Legacy TV. Today, we're gonna be talking about the ongoing series, Aiyetoro. For everyone that has been watching, you know that it's been different lessons that has been learned from watching the movie. But today, we want to strike on two things that everyone needs to watch the movie. If you like watching Yoruba movie, if you like the lessons you learn from it, this one will really make you go and watch Aiyetoro if you have not watched it. Even if you never watched series 1 and you just start with series 2, yes, you can still catch up and learn lessons from it. So like I said, the two things that we want to strike about, that we want to talk about, are two big lessons. Number one, even the rich have their battles. And speaking the truth, it may cost you everything. So when we say the rich also have their battles, this is about the king and his wife. There is something they actually struggling with. So you can only know by watching the movie. That really tells us, money is not everything. Money is good, money is cool, but there is still something money cannot do. It can give you all the happiness. There could be something you may be struggling with that is making you unhappy. If you watch this movie, I feel for the king, I feel for the wife. They have all the money, they have all the power, but there's still something bothering them. And if you see the movie, you're gonna see what that is. And also another great lesson so far from that movie, Aiyetoro, is speaking the truth may cost you everything. If you see the right thing, at times just keep quiet. Can I get a witness? This even happens almost everywhere. You see something is bad, must you say it? I think not all the time, or even never. Yeah. In this movie, Yanude, she saw what was not right, and she feels you gotta say, right? Guess what happened? Only if you watch the movie. Only if you see the movie. It's so interesting. So, in conclusion of this analysis of Aiyetoro, if you think the rich never face real struggles, or the saying everything you see is always safe, Aiyetoro might just change your mind. Watch it, then share your thoughts. We will really love to hear from you. We would like to hear from you. Alright, we'll be looking forward to your comments. Let us know. Must you say everything you see? If you're rich, does it mean you have everything? Does it mean you're happy? Okay. Expecting to hear from you. See you next time.
Gbàgbàlú Aiyetoro. Bí mo bá tiẹ̀ wá ṣe kábíyèsí. Ṣebí bàbá wa ní kábíyèsí jẹ́. Kí ló wá dé tí kábíyèsí ò lè pè mí? Kí wọ́n sì bá mi wí. Kábíyèsí wá mú ẹlòmíì. Ó fi rọ́pò mi. Ẹ dákun ibo ni wọ́n ti ń ṣerú ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin àgbààgbà Aiyetoro, ẹ má wò mí níran. Láìkú àwòrán ni kò sẹ́ni tó pa mí fòòṣà. Ẹ má wò mí níran.
Ìyálóde.
Mo jáyé.
Ó ṣe sùúrù. Má ké. Àwọn alálẹ̀ òkú níjẹ́ kó rẹ́ gbogbo.
Kábíyèsí o, ẹ dákun,
ẹ bá jẹ́ kí aláàjà orin ló pé kó jáde fún wa ká lè fi sọ̀rọ̀ tá a fẹ́ sọ.
Why the heck am I gonna do that?
Kábíyèsí, ẹ dákun, ipò tí ìyálóde wà yìí kódà ó ti bara jẹ́ jù la fi wò pé kálejò yẹra fún wa bálejò bá lọ àmọ́ bá ṣe yanjú ẹ̀ ní tùbínùbí láàrin wa.
bàbá